I am Bhaskar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. In today's class, we are going to see diagonalization. So, what is diagonalization of 2 cross 2 matrix? We are going to see diagonalization of a matrix. That is also 2 cross 2 particularly. So here, what are the diagonalization means? First, we find first procedure I am giving here. Procedure. First, we find eigenvalues. We find procedure for 2 cross 2 only. We find eigenvalues. We find eigenvalues lambda 1, comma lambda 2. Correspondingly, we find eigenvectors. We find eigenvectors x1, comma x2 corresponding to the eigenvalues of lambda 1 comma lambda 2. We form the model matrix. Third point, we form the model matrix. P equal to x1, x2. We form the model matrix P equal to x1, x2. P equal to, so I'll take it as this is x1, y1, x2, y2. We'll call it as this matrix. I'll call it as model matrix. After finding P, I'll do d P inverse equal to, for the P inverse I'll find 1 by determinant of P into adjoint of P. I'll take 1 by determinant of P into adjoint of P. So next, diagonalization. D is called the diagonalization. So DIA, diagonalize. D equal to P inverse A into P. This is diagonalized. Now, after diagonalization, you will get the matrix D equal to lambda 1, 0, 0, lambda 2. So we get this is the matrix. We'll get right. First, we'll find diagonalization for 2 cross 2 matrix. We'll find the eigenvalues of lambda 1, lambda 2. We'll find for this lambda 1, lambda 2. We'll find the eigenvectors x1, x2, and that x1, x2 vectors will form that matrix we are calling as model matrix. Then for that model matrix, we'll find P inverse. Then afterwards, D equal to P inverse into AP we'll do. What that A means? A is the given matrix. Then we'll get the D matrix should be in the form of lambda 1, lambda 2. We'll get in the form of lambda 1, lambda 2. Right. Now I'll take one problem. So in this, and I'll solve that. Reduce the matrix. Reduce the matrix. A equal to minus 1, 3, minus 2, 4 to the diagonal form. To the diagonal form. To the diagonal form. And hence find A4. Here we can take this one. And hence find A4. Now we will write solution. Characteristic equation is characteristic equation of A is determinant of A minus lambda I equal to 0. Now I'll write determinant of -1 minus lambda, then 3 minus 2, 4 minus lambda equal to 0. A minus characteristic equation this. If you multiply this -1 minus lambda into 4 minus lambda plus 6 equal to 0. Now this only I'll write lambda square minus 3 lambda plus 2 equal to 0. If you simplify this, you will get lambda minus 1 into lambda minus 2 equal to 0. We will get lambda equal to 1 and lambda equal to 2 are the eigenvalues of A. Are the eigenvalues of A. This is the eigenvalues of A. You will multiply, cross multiply, and you can simplify this. You will get lambda square minus 3 lambda plus 2 you will get. This is -1 into 4. Then again minus lambda into minus lambda 4. Then again you will get minus lambda into minus lambda square. If you will simplify this, lambda square minus 3 lambda plus 2 you will get. Then you can factorize this. You will get lambda minus 1 into lambda minus 2 equal to 0. Now consider A minus lambda I into x equal to A minus lambda I into x equal to 0. Now we will write that one should be, we will write as A minus lambda is -1 minus lambda 3 minus 2 4 minus lambda into x should be, I'll take it as here x y. Another one should be, I'll take it as this one should be 0 0. Now this only I'll write -1 minus lambda into x plus 3y equal to 0. Next minus 2x plus 4 minus lambda into y equal to 0. See, if we'll multiply this matrix, we will get -1 minus lambda into x plus 3y minus 2x plus 4 minus lambda into y equal to 0 we will get. Now, if case 1 I will take, so 2 eigenvalues I get. If lambda equal to 1, if I'll put in this equation, I'll get, if lambda equal to 1 means minus 2x plus 3y equal to 0 we will get, or this one only I'll write 2x equal to 3y I'll get 2x equal to 3y. This only I'll write x by 3 y by 2 I'll write x by 3 y by 2. This vector I'll write as x1 equal to 3 comma 2. I'll write this one as x value should be 3 and y value should be 2. X1 is nothing but 3 comma 2 I'll write, which is the eigenvector corresponding to lambda equal to 1. Similarly, case 2, if lambda equal to 2, if lambda equal to 2, we'll give in this equation, above equation, just if lambda equal to 2, you can write here in equation A. If lambda equal to 2 means, we'll get -1 minus lambda equal to 2 means minus 3x plus 3y equal to 0 minus 2x, 4 minus lambda is nothing but 4 minus 2 is plus 2y equal to 0. Now we will get any equation you can take here, So if you will take any equation, you will get 3x equal to 3y, x by 1, y by 1 we'll get. Then that only I'll write x2 equal to, what is that, 1 1 I'll get. X2 should be 1 1. Now model matrix P equal to x1 x2 this x1, x2 only, I'll write it as model matrix. First, x1 should be what is that? 3, 2. x2 is nothing but 1, 1. I will take it as this is the model matrix. Determinant of P equal to 3 minus 2, so that equal to 1. This is determinant of P. And P inverse equal to 1 by determinant of P into adjoint of P. You know that how do you do that adjoint of P? It's very easy. Now I'll write P inverse equal to, first I'll write this one, P inverse equal to 1, P inverse equal to 1 minus 1 minus 2, 3. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 minus 2, 3. This is nothing but P inverse you will get. So just we are swapping that or that diagonal elements, and we are writing these two symbols, we are putting minus symbols. This is nothing but P inverse. Now we are finding D equal to P inverse into A into P. What is that? P inverse is nothing but, we know that 1 minus 1 minus 2, 3. This is P inverse. What is that? A matrix. We know that the matrix A is nothing but minus 1, 3, minus 1, 3, and next one should be minus 2, 4. This is A into P. What is that? P is nothing but 3, 1, 2, 1. This is P inverse into A into P. We'll multiply this D equal to, you will get P inverse into A into P is nothing but, we'll multiply this matrix completely. You will get in the form of 1, 0, 0, 2, which is in the form of, we'll get, this is lambda 1 into 0, this is lambda 2. So this matrix we are calling as diagonal matrix. This matrix we are calling as diagonal matrix. Now P inverse of A into P equal to what is that? Diagonal of 1 comma 2. Now afterwards we have to find A power n equal to P into D power n into P inverse. That one should be A power 4 equal to P into D power 4 into P inverse. A power 4 is nothing but, I'll write A power 4. P matrix should be, what the P matrix is 3, 1, 2, 1 into D power 4 means, here I'll write 1 power 4, 0, 0, 2 power 4 into P inverse. Already we found out P inverse. P inverse is nothing but 1 minus 1 minus 2, 3. Minus 2, 3. Now A power 4 equal to, you can multiply all these matrices. You will get 3, 1, 2, 1. So 1, 1, 0, 0, 16 into, what is that? 1 minus 1 minus 2, 3. If you will multiply this, you will get A power 4 equal to minus 29, 45, minus 30, 46. Minus 30, 46. This is the value of A power 4. Diagonalize. Next problem. Diagonalize the matrix minus 19, 7, minus 42, 16. Solution. Solution. A equal to the given matrix. We know that how do you simplify it in the last problem. The same way we'll go here. Minus 42, 16. This is A matrix. Characteristic equation. determinant of A minus lambda I equal to 0. Now determinant of minus 19 minus lambda 7 minus 42 16 minus lambda equal to 0. If you multiply this minus 19 minus lambda into 16 minus lambda plus 42 into 7 equal to 0. Now if we'll simplify this, lambda square plus 3 lambda minus 10 equal to 0. This only if I'll simplify, lambda minus 2 into lambda plus 5 equal to 0. Lambda minus 2 into lambda plus 5 equal to 0. Lambda equal to 2, lambda equal to minus 5 or the eigenvalues of or the eigenvalues of A. The eigenvalues of A. Right, now I'll write, now consider determinant of A minus, so A minus lambda I into X equal to 0. This only I'll write 19 minus 19 minus lambda 7. Next one should be minus 42 16 minus lambda into x into y equal to 0, 0. Now, if I'll simplify this, I'll get minus 19 minus lambda into x plus 7y equal to 0 minus 42x plus 16 minus lambda into y equal to 0. If lambda equal to 2, if lambda equal to 2 in equation A, we will get lambda equal to 2 means minus 21 lambda plus 7y equal to 0 minus 42x plus 14y equal to 0. Now we'll get minus 21x minus equal to minus 7y. You will get x by, we'll divide this, you will get x by 1, y by 3 you will get. So this is x1 equal to 1, 3. This is x1. Next, if lambda equal to minus 5, if lambda equal to minus 5, in equation A, we'll take, so you'll get, if lambda equal to minus 5 in equation A, we'll put lambda equal to minus 5, minus 19 minus 5 should be minus. See here, lambda equal to minus 5 means minus of minus should be plus. We'll get plus, right, minus 19 lambda, minus 19 plus 5 into x, plus 5 into x, plus 7y equal to 0, minus 42x, plus 16 minus of minus 5 into y equal to 0. We'll take this. Now, if I'll simplify this, I'll get 14x plus 7y equal to 0 minus 42x plus 21y equal to 0. We will get this one only if you'll simplify, both are same. Any one equation if I'll take and I'll simplify, I'll get, this is minus 14x equal to minus 7y. We'll get x by 1 equal to y by 2. This is x2 equal to, what is that? X2 equal to 1, 2. Okay. Now I'll write P equal to, I'll write the matrix x1, x2. So we'll write, what is that? X1 is nothing but 1, 3. Another one should be 1, 2. This is that P matrix. Now, determinant of P is nothing but, so you will get determinant of P is nothing but minus 1. P inverse equal to 1 by determinant of P into adjoint of P. So what is that adjoint of P is nothing but we know that P inverse equal to, we will get P inverse is nothing but minus 2, 1. Another one should be 3 minus 1. This is P inverse. Now we will write D equal to P inverse into A into P. So P inverse is nothing but minus 2, 1, 3 minus 1. A is nothing but minus 19, minus 19. Another one should be 7. Another one should be minus 42, minus 42, 16. And next one should be P is nothing but 1, 3, 1, 2. 1, 3, 1, 2. Now we'll take we'll take it as 2, 0, 0, 5. This is the diagonal matrix. Now I'll write P inverse equal to diagonal of 2 comma minus 5. Already you know that here see, you can see here that the land eigenvalues also what you got it 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5. Diagonal value should be also 2 minus 5. Here eigenvalue should be 2 minus 5. Diagonals also coming the same thing only. Another thing you can check, I will tell you here, see, you can check whether our answers are right or wrong means, you can check here 2 minus 5. How much 2 minus 5? 2 plus of minus 5 is nothing but minus 3. Here you can add the principal diagonal elements. Minus 19 plus 16. Minus 19 plus 16 should be also minus 3. So this is the way of checking whether our answer is right or wrong. So this ends the diagonalization topic.